This learning is Le'ili Nishmas, Broya Bas Chananya, Maseches Kilayim, Perek Dalid, Mishna Zayin. In the previous Mishnah, we learned that in order to be considered a vineyard, Beis Hillel holds that there have to be 2 rows of vines. And our Mishnah teaches, Haneteya Shura Achas B'Seich Shalai, if someone plants 1 row of vines in their own vineyard, V'Shura Achas B'Seich Shal Chaverei, and there is another row of vines in their friend's vineyard. So we have the 2 rows of vines, which usually are considered a vineyard, but in this case, 1 row is in one person's property and the other row is in another person's property. V'derech hayachid v'derech harabim be'emtza, and there's either a private path or a public path in between the 2 properties. However, there isn't a distance of 8 amos, which is needed in order to separate the 2 rows and make them considered not part of one vineyard. Or v'gader shehu namach me'asara tvachim, or there is a fence that's lower than 10 tvachim high. So the halacha is that this separation is not enough, because you don't have the 8 amos, and you don't have a wall of 10 tvachim, and the fact that it belongs to 2 people doesn't separate them. So therefore, harei elu mitztarfus, they join together even though they belong to 2 different people, and it's considered a vineyard, and a person has to put the proper distance from this vineyard to the Kilayim. The Mishnah continues, what if the wall is gavaya ma'asar tvachim, higher than 10 tvachim? So then, einon mitztarfus, then the 2 rows do not join to be considered one vineyard. Rabbi Yehuda says that im erison milmaila, if the person combined the vines above this 10 tvachim wall, so then harei elu mitztarfus, then they do join to be considered a vineyard.